Welcome back to my channel where coding is easy and zero get pushed in the last line just like a late student entering in the class. Today we are solving a leet code problem that's a move zeros. So what's the problem? There are given an integer array nums. Move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. So not there we given a not, that's you must do this in a one without making a copy of the array. So what's the question? There is a given an integer array num and moves all the zero at the end of the element and at the end of the array, and the maintain the relative we have to maintain the order of a non-zero numbers. That's it. So you can see the example one. There are nums equals to 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. So where we find a 0 like that, there's a 0 and there's also 0. In index 0 and index 2 there we found a 0. The output is 1, 3, 12, 0, 0 because we take the zeros in the last. You can see, and we cannot change the order of our non-zero numbers like 1, 3 and 12. There's also 1, 3 and 12. So that's it. With this how do we run it? I mean, what's logic we use inside this question? So first we use a pointer, that's a k, and we use a for loop for I equals to 0, I less than, there is you given a nums, so nums dot size and I increase, and inside this we use a non-zero number. If nums of I is not equals to 0, so we swap it in nums of k and nums of I. That's it, and increase the k value k plus plus. That's it, that's our code. So try to write a code and understand it. So we use a pointer method for this int k equals to 0. For int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size and I plus plus, and then we use the if condition for nums of I is not equals to 0, and what we have to do, swap it. Yes, we have to swap it. So swap nums of k comma nums of I. That's it, and increase k. That's it. So try to run. So there are both cases are passed. You can see case 1 is 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. So there is a 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. That is accepted. And case 2 is also accepted. You can see. You have to write to error. Like that you can see 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. So there is a moves to 0 integer nums, that's line. There is a int k equals to 0, we use a pointer method for that, and inside for loop we use a int I equals to 0, I less the nums dot size and I plus plus. So we take in inside the if condition. So nums of I, there is a 0, so 0 is not equals to 0, no. So inside this swap it. So nums of k equal of nums of I. So nums of k is 0, but nums of I is 1. So swap it and k increase it. That's it, like that all the numbers, and we put it like that. Inside these our space complexity is on, and if this video helps you, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.